Hi guys, so welcome to my channel, whatever you want to call it. And today I want to do a kind of like review about my Fabfitfun box, which looks like this. Oh wait, is it recording? Let's talk about it. Basically, the reason why I got this box was for this spiritual gangster kimono. I should back up. However, I saw the fabric and it was cheap. Whatever fabric this is made of, I don't know if you can see, but it's cheap. I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong. I have worn it, but when I saw it, I was like, you're gonna try to charge people $50 for this? I don't think so. Like, if I were to see this in the store, I'd be like, oh, that's cheap. Just the fabric that they used, God knows what, rayon or something, it just feels cheap. There's no way that this would cost $50. But so I was a little bit bummed out. I mean, I still like it, I still wear it, but it's just not as nice as I thought it would be. So I also got this. I think everyone did. I've used it a few times. It's okay. I mean, it's very heavily fragrant, so I don't know if it's gonna fuck up my skin or break me out, but it's alright. And I also got these rose gold treatment masks, which I have not used yet because they're so freaking expensive. I'm gonna save them for a special occasion, but this is 5 masks alone are worth like $120, so I imagine they're good for that price, but I haven't used them that simply because I'm saving them for a special occasion when, you know, you want to ball out or something, special event, something like that. And I have tried this exfoliating foot mask, and I didn't really notice really of a difference, so I don't believe the hype. And I got this, which is like a balm, Dr. Otter's balm, and I mean, I tried it like once or twice, seems alright. It's kind of like Vaseline in a tube, basically, so very probably expensive. It's tiny Vaseline to go, so I don't know what's so special about it, but it's basically Vaseline. And Invisibobbles, I haven't really tried, but I mean, it's hair ties. What I really say, I'm just waiting for my roommate to use up all my hair ties and then I'll try it out. I also got the pink silicone cups, which I don't have because my roommate took them to the beach today, and I do like them. They're super cute. I love the little carrying pouch that it comes with. So yeah, I definitely do love them. And that was one of the other main reasons why I did actually get the box, because I really wanted those pink cups. And I'm trying to go through here and see what else I got in case I forgot anything, because I've had the box now for a while, so this is why it's more kind of a review. Oh, and I also have got the Living Proof styling cream, which I like. It seems pretty good. My hair is naturally curly, naturally frizzy, and I've been using it a lot and it seems to do okay job. It's not working wonders, but it seems to be doing okay. And oh, I got the clay mask as well, which looks like this, the purple one. I did try it once. It seemed to do a good job. I have kind of masks coming out of the yin yang right now, so I'll have to go through some of them, but it seems to be doing alright, so it's good to have masks for different purposes, so I'll be trying that one out, even though I was hoping for the SPF spray, but you can't win them all, I guess. And I do have a little bit of a rant. So I'd say I'd ordered my box in probably like late May or sometime in May is when I ordered my box, and of course, if you've ordered from them before, shipping takes up to a month, which is ridiculous. So I get the notification, I got my box, I'm all happy. I open it up and I'm just like, what? I added on these magical little bowls from West Elm. I added those on for my nail. And they were missing, and I also was a first time subscriber, and I was supposed to get one of those mystery bundles added up to worth up to $175. I didn't get that either, so I emailed them back and they're like, oh okay, but our warehouse will be shut down for 2 weeks or something. And that was like beginning of July. It's now almost August and they still have not shipped out my stuff, so I'm pretty annoyed with that. So not a good look for a first time subscriber. So we'll see what happens when I do get those items, but just something to be wary about. The shipping sucks, so expect to get your stuff in like a month, and even then you might not get all the stuff that you paid for or ordered or were promised. So hopefully it's just like a one-time thing, but something to keep in mind. So Fabfitfun, get your together. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks and have a good day.